Guys, we literally had all of this predicted before it happened. Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the Moon Fund channel where we are funding our bags to go to the moon. In today's video, what I'll be doing is covering Cardano, doing a bit of price analysis on it, and also I'll be giving you guys my prediction on what I think will happen, and also we'll be covering a bit of news on Cardano as well at the end. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and guys, I'll actually be doing a giveaway on the channel. So I'll be giving away $50 worth of XLM Stellar Lumens to the winner. All you need to do to actually enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling me what altcoin you are currently the most bullish on. But other than that guys, you know the drill. I'm not a financial advisor. You can lose your money if you listen to me. This is not investment advice, but let's get into the Cardano chart right now. Alright guys, so there's a lot going on in the chart right now, but I'm going to explain everything step by step. So we can see we have this long-term trend line right here, and we have this other trend line right here, which, you know, actually was formed when Cardano went on an absolutely crazy uptrend. And what we can actually do is use it to actually do a bit of analysis on Cardano. So I'm going to show you guys the prediction that I had, and also guys, this is one of the reasons why you should subscribe to the channel, because we do predictions like these all the time, where, you know, I literally said in my last video that I made a week ago about Cardano, I said Cardano would come down and stick to the 0.5 level, just touch it a little bit, because it loves to test the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and it did with absolutely perfect precision, because I noticed that there was a speakerphone pattern forming on the Cardano chart, where we can see that these lines are actually spreading as we go down the chart, forming this big gap right here. And what I was looking for is that neckline for Cardano to actually break and test this very important trend line. And as you guys can see, you know, it tested it a few times. It had a false breakout, then came down again. The main thing is guys, that this trend line which we had, Cardano absolutely respected this and bounced back straight away after testing this right on this exact spot right here, which is absolutely crazy, because this was a very nice buy zone. And I also said guys that the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level is a very nice support for Cardano. So this was absolutely crazy that Cardano followed the prediction, and now what we can see is the breakout happening. And this is another thing which you guys will absolutely find crazy, because if we draw this trend line from here to the top of the speakerphone pattern, we can extend this line and we can actually put it where we can see Cardano break the neckline. And if we actually move it here, we can see that it actually perfectly predicts where Cardano would make the move. And you know, I said it would go up to $1.12, and we're currently sitting on $1.15, which was a high, and now we're around that $1.13 area. So absolutely crazy stuff on this channel guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, because I'll be giving you guys more predictions as well. But now you guys might be wondering, okay, I might have missed the old prediction, but what happens now? Well, essentially guys, I have a few theories which can happen, and it all depends sadly on Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin decides to dump, or if it keeps on going up, we normally see altcoins always have a minor correction. So I might see Cardano actually test this upper neckline here and fuel up to actually make the next move upwards to that next target we have, which is testing this other trend line that we had, which we formed when Cardano was making a huge price increase right here. However, we have seen Cardano make this huge move upwards and then consolidate for a bit, and then made another move upwards, and now we can see it consolidating again. So I wouldn't be surprised that this is a three-step pattern, where we can see the third step forwards, which actually goes and takes us to this trend line right here. And I wouldn't be surprised if Cardano actually did this, because Cardano is looking super bullish right now. The RSI is not too bad, and everyone is extremely bullish on Cardano. And you know why? I'll actually go into one of the reasons this might be. Essentially guys, I haven't really covered this on my channel, but I've talked about this a lot, where gas fees is a very big thing for Ethereum users, right? A lot of people complain about gas fees, and they're so high at the moment because of all that congestion and that high traffic on the network. So what Cardano can actually do is, in this article, they're basically saying that there is no execution fees, which means that when, for example, in Ethereum, when a token is interacted with on a smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain, a fee known as gas fees is charged. However, with Cardano, native tokens on Cardano are forged on chain with no need for a smart contract, and therefore no execution fee is required to transact native tokens on Cardano. And this is absolutely crazy, guys, because a lot of people complain about gas fees, and Cardano is actually solving that problem. And that's not it, guys. I'll link this article down in the description where you can, read more about what min ADA value is and all that sort of stuff. But I want to point out something very interesting here, where not needing smart contracts to forge tokens would lead to other advantages, because there would be no room for fraud perpetrators to exploit smart contract vulnerabilities, human error, and other risks associated with smart contracts. And now, guys, this is something which the Ethereum co-founder actually warned the community against last year. So with Cardano, we actually won't have that problem anymore, which again is a very, very big advantage for Cardano. And the opportunity to siphon funds through a smart contract exploit is eliminated as well. And this is one of the reasons why I'm so bullish on Cardano. And guys, this is not it. Cardano is actually getting mainstream attention, where Simmons actually bought $300,000 worth of Cardano, which is absolutely insane. Why is this insane? Because a lot of people who follow Simmons might actually not know what Cardano is, and if they see him buying Cardano, they might actually look into the cryptocurrency. And he actually tweeted why he bought Cardano, and he bought it because he actually says he believes in it, and a lot of people might look into that and actually might buy it themselves. And now, guys, you might be thinking, did Cardano pay Simmons to do this? Well, I did some digging, guys, and I actually went on Charles Hoskinson's YouTube channel where he was doing a live stream, and he said that he actually did not pay Simmons, and he's not planning to make any promotions about Cardano, which is, I actually respect that a lot, because I see Charles Hoskinson as a very genuine person, and him not paying different people to promote Cardano is one of the things which I actually am behind, because I want people to come into Cardano because they like what Cardano is doing and they actually believe in the project. And guys, come on, Charles Hoskinson, what a boss. Like, this guy's an absolute boss. So we have him behind Cardano, and hopefully we can keep going up. And let me just go in the price chart really quickly, where if you zoom in, currently the Mars cipher indicator is giving me a green light for a buy zone, and I think we are looking very bullish to make that move up and test this uptrend right here. However, guys, don't be surprised if we actually make a bit of a correction here and go and test this neckline. And also, guys, I noticed that Cardano is actually number 5 on the CoinMarketCap website right now, and a lot of people might be worried that Cardano is not actually making progress. But Cardano's market cap was $21 billion around 2 weeks ago, and now we're sitting on around $35 billion, which means that we've almost doubled our market cap. So guys, don't worry if you're seeing Cardano at number 5 instead of that number 4 spot, because Polkadot and Binance Coin have absolutely gone crazy in just the past few days, but our market cap has almost doubled in the past 2 weeks, which is great to see. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and join the Discord group, guys, because we have live discussions and updates on cryptocurrencies. And guys, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to be entered into the giveaway, which I'll be announcing very soon. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.